Here's how to make a Discord server on mobile. First, open the Discord app and look at the server list on the left-hand side. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and tap the plus icon. You'll now see the option to create a server. Select Create My Own. Discord will then ask what you're creating the server for. You can choose between options such as a server for yourself and your friends, or one for a club or community. Next, you can add a profile picture or logo for your server. If you already have an image ready, upload it here. Then, enter a name for your server and tap Create Server. Once the server has been created, Discord will give you the option to invite people. You can invite users directly through Discord or tap the Share Link button to send the server invitation to people through your phone's contacts or other apps. Once you're finished inviting people, tap Done in the top right corner. Then tap the back arrow in the top left corner to return to your server. Now tap your server name to access the server options. This is where you can manage and customize different parts of your server. For example, you can invite additional members from this menu. You can also create categories to organize your channels. Tap Create Category, enter a name for the category, and then select Create. You'll now see your category inside your server. Next, tap your server name again and select Create Channel. From here, you can create a new channel for your server. Enter a name for the channel. You can then choose the type of channel you want to create. You can select a text channel, voice channel, or forum. You can also decide whether the channel should be private or available to everyone who has access to your server. Once you've configured these settings, tap Create. The new channel will now appear under the Text Channels section. If you want to place a new channel inside a specific category, press and hold the category name. Then scroll through the available options and select Create Channel. You can now create the channel directly inside that category, which makes it easier to keep your server organized. The last thing you may want to configure is your server roles. To set these up, tap your server name, then select Settings. Scroll down and tap Roles. This section allows you to manage the different roles and permissions available on your server. By default, you'll have the Everyone role. Select this role to view and adjust the permissions that members with this role have access to. You can also create additional roles by tapping Create Role. For example, you could create roles for admins or moderators. After creating a role, you can assign it to specific members of your server. This allows you to give different people different permissions based on their role. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.